So guys, this is the first time I'm actually going to be making fries with this.
Then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. Now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright.
The instructions say you should not fill it up to this place, so but for me this is the amount I need here, just for the kids. Yeah, so this is the brand I'm using. Is a Mankin Tradition. Yeah, the thing is upside down. So let's see how it's going to turn out. So I did not add anything apart from the fries. So it's in 200 already, so I don't know. Let's see. I think that's too much. 60 is too much, no? So I just put it in 30 minutes, so let's see. I think it's working now. That's it. Wow, take a look at that, guys. Take a look at that. Let me see if it's ready. It's not yet dried. Yeah, it's been here for, let me just say, about 14 minutes. So let's leave it maybe like 5 minutes more. So I think this is ready. Take a look at that color. Wow, wow.
Mom is ready.
I think so. I have to check.